Hi everyone, I'm Arthur and here is my self-converted camper van. Have a look. This is the fridge. The dishwasher. All the storage necessary. This is for the clothes. The oven. The meal is ready. Truma heater. Gas. You have to come here. And this is the bathroom with a full-size shower. And of course the toilet. And last but not least, what every van lifer needs. So lots of storage. There's water, the heater for water, and secondary fridge, or rather freezer, up to -10.